Leiten CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System. A specialized software solution tailored for modern industries. Complete modules of our CMMS software. The 4 integrated modules work together to give you total control over your maintenance operations. Asset registration. Track asset location, salvage value, and life cycle until scrap, with QR and barcode labels for each asset. Inventory maintenance. Manage spare parts, purchase orders, goods receipt notes, material requests, and stock movements. Preventive maintenance. Schedule, automate, and track routine maintenance to prevent unexpected downtime. Breakdown maintenance. Handle unplanned failures with job orders, technician assignment, and real-time tracking. Ready to take control of your maintenance? Stop reacting. Start preventing.